Animal rescue is a niche that's been incredibly hot lately, racking up millions of views on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. This animal rescue channel has gained 1.12 million subscribers on YouTube Shorts, with nearly 200 million views in just 1 month, and each video hitting tens of millions of views, calculating the potential earnings for this channel with an RPM of $0.10. 186 million views would translate to 186,000 RPM. Therefore, the channel could earn nearly $18,600 in just 1 month from YouTube Shorts. That's a lot of money. Before that, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll guide you step by step on how to create content around this topic and make a lot of money. Step 1. Create the script with ChatGPT. Log in to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me an idea for a short YouTube video on the topic of animal rescue." ChatGPT will provide you with a variety of creative ideas. To make it more specific, include the type of animal in your request. For example, ChatGPT might suggest the story of a rescued golden retriever. If you find an idea that resonates with you, confirm it and let ChatGPT draft a script for it. The AI will generate a complete script with narration and on-screen text. Save this script for later use. Next, ask ChatGPT, "Give me a prompt picture for each scene." It will create visual descriptions for every scene in the script. If you have access to ChatGPT Plus, you can take this a step further by asking ChatGPT to generate all the images for you. This will streamline the process significantly. If you don't have ChatGPT Plus, you can still request, "Give me detailed prompts for other scenes." ChatGPT will provide descriptive prompts for all remaining scenes. Be sure to save these prompts, as you'll need them in the next steps. Step 2. Images with Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI and click Get Started. Log in using your registered account. In the Styles section, set it to None to keep the output neutral. Adjust the image dimensions to your preferred size. For each scene in the script, paste the description into the prompt box. To make the images as realistic as possible, add the keyword photorealistic at the end of every prompt. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and wait a moment for Leonardo AI to create the image. For instance, if your scene is about a golden retriever joyfully playing in the mud, your prompt might be, "A golden retriever playing happily in the mud on a sunny day. The dog is covered in mud but looks excited and carefree with a bright sky and lush greenery in the background. Photorealistic." Similarly, try generating images for other scenes like this one. The golden retriever lying peacefully on a soft couch with its new family. The dog's fur is brushed but still slightly rugged, resting its head on the lap of one of the children. The living room is warm with soft lighting, pillows, and a cozy family atmosphere. Photorealistic. The images produced will be incredibly detailed and lifelike. Choose the ones you like the most and save them for the next step. Step 3. Create animations for your images. Log in to Viddo AI, an application currently offering free credits with impressively fast video rendering speeds. Click on Image to Video and upload the images you created using Leonardo AI. If you're using the free version, leave the default settings unchanged. Note that the free plan limits videos to 4 seconds per render. Paste the corresponding prompt for each image from ChatGPT into the description box. Then click Create and wait 1 minute to 1 minute for Viddo AI to generate an animation from your image. Once the animation is ready, review it. If you're happy with the result, click HD below the animation to upscale it to high definition for sharper, more polished visuals. Keep in mind that this step will consume additional credits and take slightly longer. After the process is complete, download the HD video to your device. Now repeat the process for your other images. The results are typically smooth, realistic, and visually pleasing, though the 4x2 limit can be restrictive. If you need longer animations, consider Kling AI. Go to Kling AI and click on Image to Video. Upload your image, paste the corresponding prompt into the description box, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Then click Generate. The downside of using Kling AI's free plan is the longer rendering time. However, the output is often worth the wait. High quality, detailed, and smooth animations. After generating a result you're happy with, download the video immediately. Both tools are fantastic options, depending on your specific needs. For quick animations, Viddo AI is ideal. For longer, more detailed outputs, Kling AI is a great alternative. Step 4. Generate voiceovers with Play HT. Return to ChatGPT and use the narration from your script to create the voiceover. Visit Play HT and select a voice that matches the tone and mood of your video. For instance, I chose the voice Billy for its deep, warm, and engaging tone, reminiscent of a live news reporter. Adjust the speech rate to 1.1 for a slightly faster but still natural delivery. Then paste the narration from your script into the text box. Click Generate All to produce the voiceover. Within less than 5 minutes, your voiceover will be ready.
On a cold, rainy afternoon, this golden retriever was found trembling, alone, and afraid. But little did he know, his life was about to change forever.
Listen to it carefully to ensure it fits the mood and pacing of your video. If you're satisfied, download the audio file to use in your project. This process is quick, efficient, and ensures your video has a professional and polished narration. Step 5. Compile the final video using CapCut. Launch CapCut and select Create New Project. Upload all the video clips you generated in Step 3 along with the voiceover from Step 4. Drag the videos into the workspace and arrange them in the correct sequence according to your story. Ensure that each scene flows smoothly into the next, maintaining the logical order of your script. Import the voiceover file and place it in the audio track. Adjust its timing so it aligns perfectly with the visuals. Add a suspenseful or emotional no-copyright background track to enhance the mood of your video. Make sure the music volume doesn't overpower the narration. Use CapCut's tools to trim or extend the audio clips to match the video length. Smoothly fade in and out the audio at the beginning and end for a polished effect. Add transitions between scenes to make the cuts smoother. Mix is a great option for subtle and professional-looking transitions. Use CapCut's auto-detection feature to generate subtitles for your video. Select a stylish caption template that aligns with your video's theme. Review the captions for accuracy, as CapCut's AI may occasionally make mistakes. Correct any errors to ensure the text matches the narration perfectly. Watch your video from start to finish. Ensure that the timing between video, narration, and music is seamless. Transitions and captions enhance the storytelling rather than distracting from it. Once satisfied, export your video at 60 FPS for the smoothest playback quality. Save it in high resolution to maintain the visual and audio clarity. Your polished professional video is now ready to share. Let me know if you'd like any more tips or adjustments. Hear my result.
On a cold, rainy afternoon, this golden retriever was found trembling, alone, and afraid. But little did he know, his life was about to change forever. Rescuers from a local animal shelter spotted him and knew they had to help. With patience and kindness, they earned his trust and brought him to safety. He was given the name Buddy and was taken to the shelter, where his journey of healing began. Buddy was malnourished and scared, but with medical care, good food, and a lot of love, he began to recover. Slowly, his personality began to shine. Buddy turned out to be playful, loving, and full of energy. He was ready to find his forever home. It didn't take long for the perfect family to find Buddy, and just like that, his new chapter began. From a lonely stray to a beloved family member, Buddy's story is a testament to the power of compassion.
And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and free AI tools, you can create professional and creative videos without spending too much time or effort. The key is your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and turn them into unique content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. And if you try making a video yourself, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.